Yes, that's so excited.
You're gonna wash Sissy's leg? Wash your leg.
Oh,
Oh, you want water on it though.
Water, okay.
Grandma will get you a little bit of water. There you go.
Okay, wash your
Okay,
leg.
wash Sissy's leg.
Don't touch.
Oh, you're gonna wash yourself. You're gonna wash your face.
Wash, see, here, wash right here.
There you go. Good girl, Phelan. You see her? She's trying to wash Gracie's
Do it
leg.
again. Wash your feet for her.
Wash your feet. Get her leg right here. Wash your leg.
Here, wash your foot.
Get her foot. Oh, good.
Oh, wash
So
some more.
nice.
Wash some more. No,
Oh,
on
God,
Gracie. Wash
look at
Gracie's
the foot.
feet. Look at pretty. Oh, there we go. We'll help you. Very
Oh,
good.
so nice. So nice.
Did
Yeah.
you hear a story about Phelan?
No water?
On what?
We had the backpack.
Let's just get
Came
you.
in with a little copper
There, that's
ball
good.
in
That's
water.
good. Here's
They
your
did
thing.
the cross on Gracie, and then Phelan did the cross on the forehead. And she grabbed the cotton ball and we started cleaning her face with it.
There. No, you got water. It's okay.
It's
There you
quite
go.
funny.
Go ahead. It's wet.
I was
It's all
a bit- I
bad.
was-
You little turkey.
you
She
almost
still
lost
wants
her
to get
there.
water.
I just did that for you.
I
though.
know. And she just. Oh, she's gonna do her hair. Okay.
It was quite fun.
Oh, look at that. That feels good now.
Yeah.
Yes, that feels so good.
Oh.
Here you go.
She's helping you, Rebecca. That's so cute.
I got
She
no-
was
she had
watching her laying down.
one of her hairs came from her foot.
You done? Or do you want more water? You want up? You want up?
Oh, you boys.
I'm gonna sit down to my bummer. You get him. He's so silly. Little gremlin.
My striker. She didn't want to sleep.
Oh yeah, brush your hair.
Yeah, well,